Hi everyone, let's see how to do whole effect with your text. First type something and make it the same color as your background. And with it selected, go to Effect, 3D and select Extrude and Bubble. Select the isometric top position and then under More Options, make Ambient Light to 31. Change blend steps to 256. Changing the color is optional, but make sure to hit Draw Hidden Faces. Then hit OK. Go to Object, Expand Appearance. Then using the Direct Selection tool, select only the letter faces. Cut and place them on top. And with the faces still selected, go to Object, Compound Path, Make. Now select all, go to Object, Clipping Mask and Make. And you're done.